So this journey that we're going into, this journey that we're embarking on, ladies and gentlemen, is for one, is for your identity, is for your life, is for the purpose why you're doing this, is for the persons or the people in your life that you need to be the superhero for. It's all those excess interest rates that you have paid, that car dealership that ripped you off, that collection company that is still calling you, that home that you got denied for, that apartment that you cannot get because you have evictions and negative items on your credit that sometimes are not even supposed to be there. Information that has passed the statute of limitations. These are real things that's happening to you, and it's up to you to make a decision. Will I be a victim or will I be a lion? Am I going to be a victim or will I be victorious? Because you can pick. You can pick to be a victim and have all your money go to these corporations, whether in high interest rates, you live in check to check, hand to mouth, you owing all of this, they claiming that you got late payment, your account is overdraft, and they're still charging you late fee, or you can decide to be a victor, right? You decide to be a victor because victory is in your blood, and you're going to say enough is enough. It is time for me to take action. It is time for me to stand up for myself. It is time for me to take my responsibility in my own hands. It is my credit. It is my responsibility. I will not sit and wait for the same system that kept me under the system to come and save me. I will not sit and wait for the same system that did not teach us anything about credit. I will not wait for the same system that is run by the banking system that charges people for being late. That is a $4.18 trillion industry, and they have no incentive of fixing your credit. I will not wait for a consumer reporting agency that make money off of people with bad credit to correct my information. How are you waiting for the people that is making money from you having bad credit to fix your credit? Like, come on. At what point do you wake up and see the matrix for what it really is? For those of you that are going to take action, let me see y'all drop in the chat. Now is the time. And I get it. It's not for everybody. Some of this might sound intimidating to a lot of y'all, and you'll be in the same spot that you were last year, the year before, having bad credit. It's okay. If you're not going to take action, that is fine. We're not here to force nobody and drag you across the finish line. But for those of you that know that it is time, I want you to drop in the chat. It is time. Now is the time, guys. Now is the time for you to make a difference. Now is the time for you to make a change. You don't wait until your house is leaking to fix the leak in the roof. That makes no sense. So fill the application out, guys. My team will be in contact with you. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. To all the fathers here, inside the university, I want you to remind me, I am going to have a special child support. You know what? I'll probably do it Monday. So tell you what, for all the dads, everybody that's on child support, like if you're in the university, on Monday, we're going to do two things Monday. We're going to go over that case law. And we're going to do a mini child support masterclass. I'm going to go over a few things for child support. So for those of you that are new, I'm going to probably use 30 to 45 minutes to go over some child support. All right. Just to make sure that we cover all the bases. So from your favorite island boy, y'all know what time it is. Shout out to all the fathers out there. Keep being amazing, guys. If the child is yours, please do not be a deadbeat dad. I didn't grow up with my father. He was not around. and it definitely wasn't great growing up without a dad. I'm gonna tell you that because there's things that I wanted to do with my dad and he wasn't there. And that's why when it comes to my son, when we're on the coaching calls and I'm like, hey, we're doing a hard top at 10 because I gotta go spend time with little man before I'm gonna be there. All right. So I want you guys to be the best fathers that you can be. Not everything that your kid asks for, you're gonna give them. All right. That's not good parenting. Right? They must learn to work for things and be rewarded for good work. They need to know what it's like to earn something. Do not have them feel like they're entitled to anything. Okay? Entitlement create rotten kids. Reward and work creates kids that know that when I do something, when it's good, I get rewarded. When it's bad, there is no reward for bad behavior. It teaches them a sense of responsibility and it gives them a sense of purpose. We will not teach our kids to be entitled because entitlement create dependent kids and rotten kids. We don't want that. All right. So see y'all later, alligators. Monday and Tuesday, guys, I'm excited. We're going to have an amazing time. It is time. It is time. It is time. Haiti, drop the link one more time so everybody can get it. And peace out, Cub Scout. I will see you all later, alligator. Later, alligators. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Later, y'all.